Good morning viewers, good morning students, good morning scholars. In this video today I am going to explain how to format the axis of a Excel graph. In the previous videos I have explained how to plot a graph from the given data analysis and so on. This is myself with Dr. C.H. Ashok Babu and Professor G. Mallesham. Excel graph axis changing. So formatting the axis. This is our Excel graph. This is our Excel graph. For our CAD students, we have given like this. This is a SSC grade details. This under the x-axis we are having the roll numbers, and y-axis these are the grades of the SSC. So in our department, in this graph, the minimum grade the minimum grade is above 7 and below 10. The maximum grade is 10 only. 10 in between 7 and 10 the grades are, all the students grades are there. So there is no need to have 0 to 6 plotting. So we have to reduce the 0 to, we have to reduce the our 0 point to 7. The 7 point should come in the below. From 7 to 10 we have to plot the graph. So graph is not changed here. We have to change the axis of the y-axis. From 0 the minimum is 7 and the maximum is 10. How to adjust this 7 and 10 in the next slide I will explain. So same as in the intermediate marks, the maximum marks are between 800 to 1000. From our data analysis, the maximum marks are, minimum is 800 and maximum is 1000. So no need to show the 0 to 600. So minimum is 700. For example, if I want to take 700 minimum and maximum is 1000. So the graph will be plotted in the neat form. This is an unwanted place. So how to format the axis. So this is our graph. So these are the y-axis points. So right click on the axis point of y-axis points, select the format. So you right click here and you select this axis point. So the next window will come like this. Minimum is 8 and the maximum is 10. Changing the minimum scale and maximum scale, automatically it gives the value. So practically I will explain how the Excel will be there. See, this is my Excel graph. This is my Excel graph. So this is my SSC marks. Now I want to change this axis point. Right click here, format axis, and minimum is, see here minimum is, I am taking the scale is 7. So I am giving 7. The maximum is 10. So if I click OK, see this is the from maximum to minimum. So this minimum is 7.5. You can also change to 7.5. So that the Excel starts here. So maximum is 10. 10 is the highest grade and it is coming down to here. Like this you have to adjust the scale. Okay, same case for intermediate marks. There is no need to show our minimum marks is, see, the minimum marks is 800. Maximum is 990. So in between that you give the scaling. What is the minimum is 800. So I am giving, right click, format axis. Minimum is 800 means you can give 750 and the maximum is 1000. Okay, see the plotting is like this from here to here. Like this you can give the adjustment of the y-axis. This how to plot the graph. This is my data analysis sheet. This is my data analysis sheet. Using this data analysis, we have plotted the graphs and we have plotted different types of plots. For CAD people, you have to draw any two questions. The questions are like this. From the given data analysis, you have to plot the let it be, the graph should be plotted, the edited like this. Okay, same thing I have explained here. how to access. Right click on the access, and you just take the formatting access, and you minimum is 8, maximum is 10. So my name is Naveen Kumar, System Administrator, EEE Department of Suman City, Hyderabad. This is my phone number. Myself, and she is my daughter, studying in Takshashila Public School. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.